This Bosch top-handled jigsaw provides plenty of power coupled with handling and accuracy. Finish carpenters and kitchen and bath installers will appreciate the powerful 6.5 amp motor and variable speed control, making this saw an excellent choice for curve cutting. A dial on the back of the tool controls the maximum speed. The accelerator trigger regulates the operating speed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This jigsaw is engineered with a precision machine plunging mechanism and low vibration design, delivering enhanced accuracy and extremely smooth operation. Also, it was designed with soft grip areas for solid handling. The sturdy die-cast aluminum footplate includes a steel insert and onboard storage of a bevel hex key. This Bosch multidirectional blade clamp delivers superior grip of T-shank blades. The toolless T-shank blade change system affords fast blade insertion and removal. It has a dust blower for max cut line visibility. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable speed for power and control. Powered by a 6.5 amp motor, the Jigsaw provides a 3/2 inches cutting capacity in softwood, a 7/8 inches capacity in aluminum, and a 3/8 inches capacity in mild steel. The variable speed dial lets you set the dial to maximum speed and use the accelerator trigger to control the operating speed, giving you greater precision and control. Number 2. Smooth operation and fast blade changes. For enhanced accuracy and smooth operation, the Jigsaw boasts a precision machine plunging mechanism. An exclusive multidirectional blade clamp provides superior grip of T-shank blades, while a toolless blade change system offers fast and effortless blade installation and removal. The Jigsaw does not accept U-shank blades for the versatility you need to tackle a range of projects. The Jigsaw offers 4 orbital settings for smooth to aggressive cuts. Number 3. Ergonomic design and dust blower for safety and efficiency. Designed to be user-friendly, this Jigsaw features an ergonomic top handle with a 2-finger trigger, as well as an ambidextrous lock-on button made to accommodate steady, long cuts. For user safety, an adjustable dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, and the sturdy die-cast foot includes both a steel insert and onboard bevel Allen key storage to keep your workspace organized. Number 4. Efficient. This Bosch features a toolless blade change system for fast insertion, while the blade ejection lever eliminates the need to touch a hot blade. The included system is the most secure Jigsaw clamping system. Number 5. Warranty information. The Bosch top-handled Jigsaw is backed by a manufacturer's 1-year limited warranty. Number 6. What's in the box? Jigsaw, anti-splinter insert, blade, wrench, plastic overshoe, and carrying case, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is it adjustable to make bevel cuts? Answer. This Bosch top-handled Jigsaw kit has a die-cast aluminum footplate with steel insert and onboard bevel wrench to adjust it to do bevel cuts. Question number 2. What is the length of the stroke? Answer. This Bosch has a 1-inch stroke length. Question number 3. How long is the power cord? Answer. This Bosch Jigsaw power cord length is 10 feet. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.